Hi, Jack. Hi, what do you have? Is it good? Pasta veggies? Pasta veggies so yummy? Here, should I get you some more? You want some more broccoli and cauliflower? There you go. Is it good? Do you love it? You got there some broccoli? Oh, can you get it in? Oh, man. Good job. Good job. What'd you get? Piece of pasta? It's a good thing you had those big ginormous mitts. Not much slips by those hands, huh? Here, you got a fuzzy in your mouth. There. Not much slips by those hands, does it? Here. You want a piece of cauliflower? Not that? Oh, shoot, that one has a piece of fuzz on it, too. Where are these fuzzies coming from? Chew it up. You're a goof. You're silly. This is going on Facebook, you know. Putting it on YouTube. I am. I'm putting it on YouTube.